So before I give you another mini tour, once we had some stuff in the house, we're still unpacking, but I wanted to talk to you about like kind of how the move went. And it didn't go so great. We didn't really have a great week moving. A lot of things like just kept happening that really just started to weigh on us emotionally. The first thing that happened when we were, moving stuff back and forth is, our Jeep battery died, so we had to fork out a little bit of money, get a new battery for the Jeep so we could continue to move boxes back and forth. Thankfully, my dad is a mechanic and really helped us out in getting a battery for the Jeep. The second thing that happened to us is our TV broke. We have a 65-inch, and when we woke up the next morning after we had moved it, it was shattered. The only thing that we can think of is one of the dogs may have stepped on it in the middle of the night, but we broke our TV in the process. I think that just as things went, the emotional roller coaster of things just trickling down really started to affect us. With the TVs, just materialistic, so, that emotionally doesn't hurt, but I think that just the overall stress of it all, plus moving, was starting to hit us. And then yesterday, which was May 15th, which is going to be a day that we in our house will always remember. I woke up in the morning and our dog had passed away, which was really difficult because she has been in my life for 7 years. She was 11 years old. Our old lady, our little Great Dane, Gabby, had died in the middle of the night, and it was really rough. I still upset about it, but it's just hard. She was old, and I don't know what to say more than that. We lost a family member, so it's been a really difficult week, like I said. I think that was just our emotion had really hit, and it has been really rough. Luckily, we took her to a really nice vet locally, and they're gonna cremate her for us, give her a nice little urn that we can keep her in and always remember her. So that has kind of been our move. Like I said, it hasn't been really a great move, but we're getting there. We're gonna get over our humps, and we're going to pick up our pieces and keep going. So for everybody out there who knew yesterday that she had passed away and sent their condolences, I really appreciate you guys, and I'm very thankful to have you guys in my life and to be there for us and to support us. So thank you so much. On a side note, happier note, I'm really excited to give you guys a semi-mini tour of the house. Right now I'm sitting in my YouTube makeshift studio. We're gonna set it up and put it all together tonight. These are our new chairs. You can't really see them yet, but we're gonna be setting up our studio tonight, and I have some other exciting news that will be coming out later next week, so I hope you guys tune in. You guys all know I love to wine and DIY, so we will be having some more things that are coming out with that. So I hope you guys stay tuned, keep watching us, and love you guys. Thanks for the support. So let's go on with the tour. So here I am in the kitchen. I kind of showed you guys this a bit earlier, but now we have stuff in it. You can see I have my kitchen table right behind me, and we were worried that it wasn't gonna fit, but it actually fits really nicely in there. We are in the middle of still kind of like unpacking, and the kitchen is the catch-all for some things right now. And moving into the house, we realized that the dishwasher is broken, so we have been hand washing all the dishes, which is okay, But with a family of 5 and a small space for everything to dry, it can be a lot. All of that is drying, which luckily I'll be able to put it all away tonight. But this is the kitchen. It's a lot bigger than our last one, and I have to get used to cooking and like moving from the stove to go over here to get pots and pans, whereas I used to have a galley kitchen, so everything was like really easy and quick to grab, and it's not like that in a larger kitchen, but I will definitely get used to that. And then we're gonna go over in here into our living room. I mentioned that I was getting new couches, and we got our new couches in. You can see the animals have taken them over, and we have taken over with toys. So we're slowly putting this together, piecing it together. We've been doing laundry like crazy, but we love the new couches and they fit perfectly in this space. And let's see, let's go into our office. So here we are in the office. It slowly come together. We just moved our bookshelves over, and we're trying to fix them because during the move, one kind of like bowed in the middle, so we're trying to fix that because we have a lot of books. I love books and I love collecting books, so we need the bookshelves, but it's coming together really nicely. That's where all of the editing happens, right here in this area, and gaming, but all the editing we'll give you. Working on the bookshelves. And then let's come over here. I was just here in our YouTube studio. Right now it has our chairs in it, our lovely chairs. And it has boxes. These are all the kids' boxes. We're just gonna move them up to their rooms so they can start unpacking their toys and all of their crazy nonsense. So let's head upstairs. We added some gates so Tristan is safe and doesn't go up the stairs. Apparently I can hurt myself with the stairs. Yep. Like I said, we still have a lot to do. We have, our kids are like totally obsessed with Legos, and we have this little nook. It's really hard to see. So like I was saying, our kids are really obsessed with Legos, and we have this little nook, so we added all their Legos there. We have 2 little chairs that they sit on, and we're gonna put those up in there, and they build all kinds of craziness with their Legos. Here is Kylie's room. It's still coming together, but overall, she's got her stuff. We're just gonna move her boxes up so she can unpack all of her toys. But yeah, Fortnite, Pokemon, crazy, everything. Kids' bathroom, it's kind of bright in there. Tristan's room. Here we are. So here is Tristan's room. He's got these old like grandma curtains right now, but my mother, Tristan's grandmother, did order him some brand new curtains, so he'll be getting those in on Monday. But for now, he's dealing with some grandma curtains, but he doesn't care because he doesn't care what his rooms look like. I think it's a mom thing, and we want the rooms to look cute. I want to say the least put together is Ryer's room right now. We have to build his bed, which is on our to-do list. He's got a bunk bed, and we just need to build it, put it together. Right now, he likes bunking with Kylie. They stay up and binge watch TV shows on Netflix. They've already finished 2 like Pokemon shows. And that's what they do. They stay up and they watch TV shows on Netflix just like everybody else in the world. So the last room I'm in is our bedroom. And it's like empty. So like Every time I'm talking in here or watching TV, it echoes throughout it. We can't fit our dressers up the stairs because the stairs kind of like curve and the dressers are just too big to get up here. So we are trying to refigure out what we're gonna do without dressers, but we are still keeping the dressers because I really like them. We don't wanna buy brand new ones. So I don't know, we're in a place with what to do with our clothes that are in the dressers, but I am really excited for this room because we're actually gonna do a makeover for our bedroom. Right now you can see it literally is just a bed and a TV, and I have lots of plans for this bedroom. Yes, but the other place I'm gonna show you is our bathroom because I wanna show you my closet. He has his own little closet right here. So I wanna show you our bathroom because I wanna show you my closet. Our bathroom is still coming together, so it like totally looks like a hot mess. We still have some things that we need to get to fix in this bedroom. There's like no towel racks anywhere. The only place to hang your towels is literally right here, like right above the tub. So you'd have to like step in the tub to get the towel. So we're still trying to figure that out and like where to hang towels. I have some ideas, some little DIY ideas that I think I want to do with that. But this closet, girl, let me show you. I'll turn the light on. This closet is huge. I showed it on my Insta a couple days ago and people were like, the closet's huge. Is that all the clothes you have? This is literally all the clothes I have. I don't have a lot of clothes. One, two, because I just cleaned them all out. But this is the space. Hey! No! Oh, sorry. And with the closet being so big, I'm actually going to use it to store all of my DIYs and all of the crafts because we just really don't have a lot of like closets in the place. So I'm gonna put everything in there because it's oh my goodness, sorry. It's huge and I want to utilize the space and the square footage that's in there. So can you see more behind me? Like big old closet. This was the last room for my mini little house tour. I really hope you guys have enjoyed my vlogs and I really appreciate you guys following me and my family along on this journey of moving into a new place, going through the ups and downs that we've had this week and really supporting us. And I'm really thankful for everybody who has followed me and subscribed along this journey. And I hope you continue to stay subscribed. And if you're brand new and this is your first video watching me, then don't forget to, hit that little subscribe button down there and join me on the fun and enjoy the next couple DIYs we have coming out. Plus, like I said, I have really exciting news and we're gonna be posting a video about that in this coming week. We're actually gonna be working on a video tomorrow, so I'm super excited for that. So like I said, you're interested in finding out all of the stuff, don't forget to subscribe and keep watching me. Bye.